Hey Marina, this is Corey. Vicky told me to send this screencast over to you. Real quick, I'm just going to give you three free tips on how you can actually start out ranking your competition online. Really drive in a lot more quality traffic to your site as well. So the three tips I'm actually going to go over is content, citations, and backlinks. I got your site pulled up here. Just going to do a quick run through. I like your callouts right here and your services. Um, Request an appointment. That's a nice call out. But so the first thing I'm going to go over is content. Really, you're a little thin. I like to, Google loves authoric content. Really, how much detailed information that you're giving the general public. Plus, you need enough content in there so that way you can layer other keywords as well of what you're actually trying to be found for. So really being about 15 to 2,000 words will make a huge difference. Also, these little images here, what they're saved as, it all matters. You got download one, you can actually switch that out, put in keywords back there, that'll make a huge difference. That's your first tip there. Now, if I go into the site of Google here and type in heater repair Tampa, this is what you're going to see. You got these Google guarantees here. These are actually brand new from these old school traditional ads. These old school ads been kicking out a lot of spammy phone calls, so a lot of business owners got sick of it. So Google came up with these Google guarantees to help weave out some of that spam calls. Some of these clicks, they range from like $30 up to 100. I've seen them up to about 130, 140 bucks a piece. Actually, probably about 160 in some areas. But anyway, you can go click on these and they get pretty pricey there. But underneath the ads, you have this little map section. Really, to get the rankings in this section here is going to be dealing with what's called a citation. What a citation is, just an online business directory with your business name, address, and phone number listed on it. So ideally, what we would want to do is go get those same citations that your competition has. We obviously don't want to stop there. We want to go out there and get a lot more as well. So that way, we're always outranking the competition. These citations range from, the BBB, Yelp, City Star. You got Facebook, LinkedIn. You probably heard of those ones. Anyway, so we want to go get the same citations. Underneath that map pack is really where this organic rankings happens. Here in this area, to get the rankings in this area deals with that authoric content on your website. And also what comes down to what's called a backlink. What a backlink is, it's a link from a website linking back to your website that's just ultimately pushing power realistically back to it. You can get business off those other ones too, but anyway, if I just take your URL here and actually stick it inside of Ahrefs, Ahrefs is a tool that lets me see what happens behind the scenes of a site. So just give it a second here. Quick overview. You got about 56 referring domains, which is pushing back 173 backlinks. Historically, it looks like you got 357 backlinks historically. Looks like you started your journey with your website back in 2013 or so. You got 539 keywords you're actually being found for. PPC stands for pay per click. Looks like you're not running any ads. I don't know if you're doing any TV or radio. Those get pretty costly as well. I know that. Underneath so these keywords, you got you got 192 clicks to your website every month. So these 192 clicks are coming from these keywords. And if we actually break these down, you have your name for a lot of these. Air conditioning repair, Trinity FL. Your ninth position, you're getting a couple clicks there. Furnace repair, okay, that's nothing good. Heat pump, humidity. Your name, okay, Tampa Air Conditioning Companies. There's actually a keyword there. It looks like you did have a run. A lot of people run ads on that one. I don't know. It looks like you've had some sort of dealing with an ad or something. But anyway, you got about 150 clicks every single month coming from that. You're 19th position, so you're missing all the traffic as well. So you got Tampa air conditioning installation. Those are good jobs there. Really buyer's intent keyword there. That's 50 clicks every month just in that for that one keyword. You're 15th position, so once again, you're missing all the traffic. Tampa AC repair, 90 clicks every month, 17th. I do a lot of I like to really focus on those certain keywords. Having high authority backlinks will help you get to that first page. And just kind of give you an example. This is 1 hour air conditioning, kind of put them in Ahrefs. Do a quick overview real quick. They got 317 referring domains, which they got 202 9K, just a little over 2,000 backlinks in that, and they're getting about 100 or 1,000 clicks to their website every month. Kind of seeing what they're actually ranking for. Tampa Air Conditioner, there's 150 clicks, so they're second position, so they're getting 27 clicks there. Tampa Air Conditioning Repair, 200 clicks every month. Tampa Air Conditioner Repair, same one. Air Conditioning Service, Tampa FL, another 70 clicks. AC Repair Tampa, another 100 clicks every month. HVAC Tampa, another 100 clicks. I mean, if we actually go through all these different keywords, those buyers intent keywords, really specific, what would an extra 200 clicks a month do for your business? Anyway, if you see any value in anything that I went over, feel free to give me a call back. I'd love to put a custom game plan for you, or at least apply these 3 free tips for yourself. And also, if you want to drop some feedback on how I did on this video, that'd be great too. Thanks. Bye.